So here's an issue that I've encountered twice in 2024. That is the issue of what name to put on your marriage license. If you are getting married, remember you have to decide what your new surname will be. Will you be keeping your birth name, that is your father's name, or will you be taking your new husband's name? However, remember that once you put that name on the license and your marriage certificate comes back saying new surname, you no longer have the option of going back and forth between your married name and your birth name. So if you were planning to apply for a green card, which many persons do in the US after they get married, you are going to be applying for your green card in the name on your marriage certificate, the one you had indicated on your marriage license. You can't apply for your green card in your married name, but try to keep your passport in your birth name, because more than likely you will be traveling with these two documents at some point. And they may let you through once and say, well, we'll take the marriage certificate this time, but they might not be so lenient for your next flight. Your documents are supposed to correspond. So if you do not want the name in your passport, you don't want it on your driver's license, you might want to consider not putting it on the marriage license when you apply. But once you do, that is now your legal name. You can't willy-nilly go back and forth between names. I am Gail of 876 Documents. Thank you for watching.